Hey guys, it's been a while since the last video I recorded. I'm not using my phone anymore because I just found it too hard to use one hand and do work, so I've invested in a little GoPro thingy. So, since I haven't really done too much, kind of stripped out most of the interior, managed to get that fuel tank out, which is down here, has a slight leak in the joins, which I'm going to have to get repaired. Also, it's really rusty inside the tank, so I'm going to send that off. I've currently sent my radiator away, so then I don't know if it's recording. Bro. Cool. I don't know if it's recording or not. Anyway. Alright, so it's still recording. Motherfucker. Well. What is that? I don't get what that means. Anyway, essentially, clean up a bit of windows, gonna try a bit of bog repair, and yeah, we'll go from there. Got my radiator sent off at the moment to get a new one made up, which will hopefully be either aluminium or if I just recore it, I'm just gonna chrome out the top so that way it's gonna fit in with my new build. I'm going to be replacing all the bolts that you can see externally with these new golden ones, just for a look I plan on going with. I'm going to go a nice candy blue with the paint. I'm going to black out the bumpers in a nice, like a gloss kind of black in the bumpers, as well as those little wing guards for the headlights. Mirrors I'm going to keep with chrome, but yeah, I'm going to have these little gold accented bolts. I reckon it'll really complete the look of it. I've managed to find some fabric of what I'm going to do with my interior. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to do a double fabric. So one on the bottom is going to be more coarse material, just to give the seats more durability, I guess, against, you sitting on it. You don't want anything, tearing it that easily. So I'm going to stitch that onto what you'll eventually see, which will be a kind of grey sort of velvety feel kind of interior. That way it just looks nice. That's what I'm going to do originally for my first attempt at interior. If I like the look of it, then that's how it will stay. If not, I might eventually redo it in leather if I do a good job. But I want to spend a lot of money on leather and then pocket. So yeah, that's my plan. So currently just giving some of these windows and stuff just a quick spray down, just to give it a bit of a clean, because I haven't actually done that yet. I do it inside and outside, just doing it outside obviously at the moment. I'm also going to get new chrome sides for it. I know where to get that from now, so I'll be doing that. That just fall down, that didn't break. So, here. Break. Let's get done. So, yeah, that is my plan at the moment. Clean it up, do some bog, going to remove all the interior, because I'm also going to sand a bit of a rust in the interior where you're not going to see. I'm just going to primer it and spray it with some black paint I've got. So there's a high gloss finish, and I've got a bit of big primer, which apparently will also fill in some gaps or whatever. It's just sort of interior where you're not going to see anyway, but I want to get that bit cleaned up so then make some headway on it. Weather's been quite shit, so I haven't been able to really work on it anyway, fortunately, but it is what it is. But yeah, so just come along for a ride. I've actually, since recording last, I'm pretty sure I managed to get a whole set of new, well not new, but a whole set of original seat belts and buckles. Still need one just for rear, just so the rears will fit, but just one buckle. But I know where to get it from, and realistically it shouldn't be too hard to find. Giving these a bit of a clean because as well while I'm here, wanted to see it nice and clean. Yeah, I don't like talking too much, so I guess you would kind of just follow me and I'll talk, I guess. It feels weird talking to myself. As you can see, I've got my wood grain steering wheel, and I've also got a wood grain gear knob which I've gone with. So I've got one window in, which I need to fix up a little bit, but I forgot to put one part in. I've tracked down the other window, which I need to make that bracket still for a regulator, so I might take that home and measure it up. If not, I'll pull that one and actually measure it properly so I can see what I need. But yeah, other than that, I'll pull out the dash today as well. These were those light, these are the light things I was talking about. I can't actually see what I'm filming because my camera keeps shutting off to save power, but apparently it records, so we'll see. Alright, man. 18,062 kilometers. That's 180 $1. 3 minutes, 18,000. Nice was original. I have no idea. But, don't wanna do that, 'cause that's gonna smash my window. Hopefully I'll get the hang of this recording thing soon enough, but alright, gotta give it a go. This is more a me purpose. I haven't put it on YouTube obviously, but so I can look back on it and see what I've done, see what I've done differently. The memories, why not? If you guys seem to like it, then that's cool. You're welcome to follow. I'm happy either way. What I'm using for sprayers is a bit of glass cleaner, or windscreen wash, but it's a concentrate which I've diluted. Makes glass obviously look a bit cleaner, and anyone can really do it. Doesn't really matter what you mix it to, just pour a little bit into a bottle and pour the rest in water. It'll give you a good clean usually. Gets rid of this grime and shit off it. Alright, looks a bit nice. Obviously when I'm finished with the car, it's going to be cleaned a lot more thoroughly, but what is that? Not too much. That should be a good spot to leave the camera. As you can see, I am in no way a good camera person. Very rarely use them.